We all know the Duquesne history. In the last year, Lena Duquesne has been in 3 different schools in 3 different towns, and in every one of them schools they had accidents, even deaths.
Is that her?
I'm not afraid of you or your evil kind.
I like you.
You don't know anything about me. I don't know who I really am inside. I don't know what I'll be.
Our words, our language can't explain all that there is.
My powers will be claimed free to the light of the dark. I have 75 days left.
If she goes dark, will you shut her out too? You think Lena's a good girl now, but it won't matter.
You want to be like a normal human? What do you think that is?
I don't believe that we have one fate and no choice. We make our own lives.